Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to draw a horizontal line in TradingView using a shortcut. All right, so let's begin with the video. To get started, go to TradingView website and sign into your account. Once here, select any chart where you want to draw a horizontal line. Open your chart and identify the price level you want to mark. Hover your mouse pointer directly over this price level. Positioning your cursor correctly is important, as the line will appear exactly where your pointer is placed. Precision here ensures accurate charting and a clean visual reference. Once your mouse is in place, use the keyboard shortcut to instantly draw the line. If you're on a Windows computer, press Alt-H. If you're using a Mac, press Option-H instead. The shortcut is easy to remember because H stands for horizontal. In an instant, a horizontal line will appear at the exact level you selected. This line stays static on your chart, giving you a reliable reference point that you can use when analyzing price action. And that's it. So that is how you can draw a horizontal line in TradingView using a shortcut. So that's all for this video. Thanks.